Welcome back to Zimist Coded, your go-to channel for tech tutorials. In today's video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to separate full names into first name, last name, and other names using Excel's handy text-to-columns feature. Whether you're dealing with a large dataset or simply want to streamline your data, this tutorial will save you time and effort. So, let's dive right in and get started. Step 1. Open Excel and load your data. Launch Microsoft Excel and open the workbook containing the full names you want to split. Make sure your data is organized in a column, with each cell containing the full name in the format first name, last name, other names. Step 2. Select the column. Click on the column header to select the entire column containing the full names that you want to split. Step 3. Access the text-to-columns wizard. Next, navigate to the Data tab on the Excel ribbon. In the Data Tools group, you'll find the Text-to-Columns option. Click on it to open the Convert Text to Columns wizard. Step 4. Choose the Delimited option. In the Convert Text to Columns wizard, you'll see two options, Delimited and Fixed Width. Select Delimited and click Next to proceed. Step 5. Select the Delimiter. Now, in the Delimiters section, check the box next to space. Ensure that only space is selected, as we'll be using spaces to separate the names. You should see a preview of how the names will be split below the settings. Step 6. Define column data formats. In the Data Preview section, Excel might interpret some names as dates or other formats. To avoid this, click on each column and set the column data format to text. Step 7. Choose the destination. In the Destination section, specify where you want the separated names to appear. Select a cell in an empty column to the right of the original data, or opt for a new sheet by clicking on the New Worksheet option. Step 8. Apply the Text to Columns feature. Once you've chosen the destination, click the Finish button to apply the Text to Columns feature. Excel will separate the full names into multiple columns, with the first name, last name, and any other names in their respective cells. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to separate full names into first name, last name, and other names using Excel's Text to Columns feature. This method is not only quick, but also ensures your data is accurately organized. Now, you can efficiently manage your datasets without the hassle of manually splitting names. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more tech tutorials and Excel tips. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy excelling!